Good morning, good evening or good afternoon folks. Thanks for joining me. I'm at Upton Warren. I'm on the nature reserve, just going for a little walk. So as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. Just spotted some butterflies. They'll probably be gone by the time we'll get here. I've got the Canon R5 and a few lenses. I'm doing a bit of photography, but come and join me on this walk. Yeah, there's lots of bees and butterflies around just here. Yeah, I'm only going a short walk. Oh, just missed that butterfly. I have to go steady. So yeah, nice little place to come for a walk. Yeah, I did come the other week and went on a walk on the other side. So I've got a feeling that you have to pay to go on this bit. I'm not sure if there's anything along here. I've looked online, there's a hut somewhere, so we'll have a look round anyway. See if I can see where I've got to pay. But yeah, I'm just having a little wander round this afternoon. Yeah, nice little stream just there. Some don't know what they are, dragonflies or what, they're quite big, but I have to swap lenses on the camera in a bit to see if I can catch them. They're flying really fast, but yeah, quite nice just here being in with nature. Nice old tree just there, it's nice, and got a little like streams, another nice tree there as well. Turned out to be a nice walk. Yeah, I've got a heavy 300mm lens with me. I mean, he's telling me, giving me a warning about that. I used to do the motocross photography and I'd be carrying two of them around, two cameras for about 5 hours. Anyway, we'll plod on through here. I think there's a bird eye somewhere. Hopefully I might be able to have a quick look in there. It's only a short walk this. Very warm this afternoon. I have been on here before with a granddaughter a few years ago. Looks like they've done some improvements just here. Yeah, it's a bird eye up there, so we go have a quick look. I'm in the bird eye. Feels like I'm in a sauna. It's got that smell, it's really warm. Just a quick sound shot before I put the camera on. Try and get a few pictures. Lovely view. Just another clip here from the bird-eyed. It's a bit, to me, it's a bit too far away to try and get some decent shots, but it's nice in here, but it's very hot. yeah, thanks for joining me, folks. If there's any pictures come out, all right, I'll put a couple in. But to me, it's a bit far, you know. I'm just trying to get used to the autofocus on the R5. When I've mastered it, I'll do a video on it, but I'm still learning at the moment. Just in a good camera. So yeah, nice little bird eye. I'm absolutely sweltering. Yeah, you get a day permit by the looks of it, so I'll have to try and find out how I do that. I thought there might be something here, but anyway, it's just a short visit. It's a bit of information where I am. Yeah, so I'm heading back. This is what they call a permissive path, so you are allowed to walk along here if you want to come for a walk. Just in the sign. So I'm going to try and get a couple of pictures of the butterflies if I can. It's too hot in that building. It was like being in a sauna. I haven't been in a sauna for a long time. I used to go to the gym at Studley years ago. They had a sauna there. Oh, that was a hot one in there. Anyway, I'm going to take a few pictures as I walk along there, so catch you in a bit. Yeah, hi folks, thanks for joining me on this little short walk. It's too hot in there. I'll come another day, but when it's a bit cooler. Anyway, so I'm going to end the video now. So as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. Big thumbs up from me, and let's hope there's peace all around the world. And thanks for watching. Bye folks.